At the end of each treatment, powder and liquid residues still present inside cords, handpieces, and the liquid circuit must be removed. Start by removing the instrument. Then the Piezon handpiece, ready to be sent for sterilization. Replace the bottle of antiseptic solution with a full bottle of distilled water. During the exchange, take care to remove the bottle vertically, without tilting it, and without rotating it. Place the two connectors above the sink, press the purge button, and tap on the center foot pedal. Three beeps indicate the end of the cycle. At the end of the cycle, remove the airflow handpiece to send for sterilization. Once the purge is complete, press the purge button to reset the unit.